This ion creates long-term industrial value, and a core location guarantees steady development. Hello all industrial entrepreneurs and enterprise managers. I am Wei Yuan Hong, focusing on high-quality industrial property transactions in the GRE8 RBay, RA. Taught AI present a premium independent factory with complete state-owned double certificates, located in central Dongguan. THIS factory covers a land area of 35 mil, with a total construction area of 12,000 square meters and a remaining property term of 27 years. IT consists of 10,000 square meters of workshop 48C, including 3,500 square meters of three-story standard factory buildings and 6,500 square meters of single-story workshops. In addition, there are 2,000 square meters of dormitory buildings, with ample open space inside the compound. LC80D in the central core area of Dongguan. This property enjoys superior regional advantages, mature industrial supporting facilities, and convenient logistics transportation. The mixed layout of standard multi-story buildings and single-story structures fits diversified production demands. It is suitable for intelligent manufacturing, processing production, warehousing, and other industrial formats with high 48C utilization. The total selling price is 75 million RMB with standard property right transfer procedures and clear property rights. It is a rare high-quality industrial compound in central Dongguan, and Xin SRE buyers are welcome to arrange on-site inspection and face-to-face negotiation. I am Wei Yuan Hong. You can reach me at +86 1474 8185 030. See you next time.